Arashi Shibori pole wrapping is an endless discovery for fiber artists and a passion for Annalisa Hedstrom. Patterns and textures can be easily created and manipulated to achieve a variety of results. In her first DVD, Arashi Shibori, A Language of Stripes, Annalisa laid out the framework for producing a variety of pole-wrapped and dyed fabrics using traditional Japanese and innovative Arashi methods. In her new DVD, Arashi 2, New Patterns and Possibilities, Annalisa expands the vocabulary from her first DVD by distorting fabric both before and after it's been wrapped on the pole, compressing the fabric without pushing up to make a wood grain pattern, creating vertical lines, and resist fulling wool gauze to produce wearables and service design fabrics. Arashi 2, New Patterns and Possibilities is a wonderful starting point for beginners to Arashi Shibori pole wrapping, as well as offering more challenging considerations for advanced fiber artists. Arashi 2, New Patterns and Possibilities, available on DVD from Annalisa Hedstrom.